Hey everyone, in this video we are going to talk about how to create credit note in QuickBooks and how to allocate the credit note against that particular bill. So first of all, let's create a bill, okay? And this is a dummy bill against which we are going to create a credit note. So I'm just creating a random supplier named as supplier 001. Save it. Now I'm just entering randomly details, okay? Terms, bill date, due date, bill number. In category, I select purchase and description purchases and enter the amount. Now you can select the taxation as per your country, fine. Other things would be same. Now I'm going to simply save this bill, save and close. So our bill has been saved, as you can see here, okay. Okay, now there are two ways by which we can create credit note. First one is from new option, as well as second option is from vendor, okay. So from vendor or supplier you can also create credit note. So let's go into the ledger of supplier 001. Now from new transaction you can see the option of vendor credit or supplier credit, okay. Both are the same options, and the same option is available here also, okay. As you can see, vendor credit. So let's click here. So it is just like bill layout, fine. You have to select the supplier and you have to select the same category which you have selected at the time of generation of particular bill, okay. And description, purchase, return. Select the amount and taxes, okay. Now simply save and close. Now you can see that our credit note has been saved successfully, okay. Bill amount is 100 and vendor credit is 35. Now if you want to make any kind of changes in credit note, you have to just select from action, view and edit, okay. So you can make any changes, fine. After making changes you have to just save and close, fine. Now we have created credit note, but still it has not been allocated against the bill, okay. So first of all, let me show you one report. As you can see, bill amount is 100, vendor credit is 35, so net payable should be 65 only, okay. Let me show you the report named accounts accounts payable aging details. So here it should be amount 65 only, but still we have not allocated credit note against the bill. You can see both bill as well as credit note amount here. As you can see, bill 100 as well as credit note negative 35, though net effect is 65, but this is not a way to presentation. So for that purpose we have to allocate credit note against that particular bills. So for allocation purpose, we'll come into the expenses, vendor, and just go into the particular suppliers ledger. Now here you have to click on mark as paid. So once you click here, you will get invoice, bills as well as credit note display. You can select and unselect bill and credit note as per your requirement. Here credit note amount is 35, so in payment I just mentioned 35, okay. And in payment date I just simply enter the credit note date, and we have to select a particular bank, but there shouldn't be any kind of entry, okay, because here value is 0, fine. So for allocation purpose we have to process in this manner. Now again I'm going to show that particular report. So for allocation purpose we have to go into the particular suppliers ledger, and we can select bills and credit notes accordingly, fine. So as you can see now, amount is 100 but open balance is 65 only, okay. So this is the correct presentation. So whenever you create a credit note, don't forget to allocate against particular bills, okay. So this is for today. Thanks for watching. Kindly like the video and subscribe the channel. Thank you.